What is going on, guys? Kenny LS1 back at it with another video. I know I've been like slacking off, going sideways with the whole little other than trucks and stuff like that. We're back on the grind. Summer's around the corner, so we gotta start jumping back into it, getting the trucks ready, and just go to truck meets and stuff like that, and have some fun and record a little bit for you guys. We're gonna get back into it. And for today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and clean my wheels. As you can see, I already started off on these the other day, and then this is how the other ones look right now. So I cleaned 2, and then I still have 2 left, so I might as well record that part for you guys. And it's just basically stuff that you can do at home using home remedies. So what I'm gonna use is, listen, so I have Windex here. Obviously everybody got Windex at home. The only thing you might need is some microfiber towels. So I have 3 types. So it says right here, use green towel to wash, gray towel to scrub, and blue towel to clean glass and mirrors. Okay, so I got 3 different types. So we're gonna try and use this one to scrub off, because mainly I used these wheels during the assault when it was snowing and stuff like that, so all the salt is still in there. As you can see, look at all that. That is so nasty. So we're gonna try and scrub as much as we can. As you can see, I did do a good job, and I was using the same products. I just that I was using some dirty towels, so I went to go get some new towels, obviously for the video, and then a brand new Windex. But everybody has Windex, and you might just need this. I bought this just in case, but we're gonna try and leave that out the picture, and if we need it, we're gonna need it. But if not, let's just try to do stuff that we can do, stuff that everybody got at home and stuff like that. So that's enough talking. Let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get me to 300 subs. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start rinsing off the wheels first. Turn it on. Use my broke ass hose. Let's just rinse it off. Let's get everything out of there. Okay, now that we rinsed off the rim itself, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on top of it, or maybe if I turn it on, I'll go ahead and see if it removes all of that dirtiness out of them, from the surface and stuff like that. Let's get some good sprays in there, so all the bad stuff can come out of it. And let's see if this gray towel is magic. Supposedly, it's to get everything out of there and stuff like that. So, and we're not trying to scratch the rim as well. So if this doesn't work, we're gonna have to sue. Alright guys, so check it out. I did it to this little piece right here. As you can see, I tried as much as I could. Scrubbed, and pretty clean finish. And that's what we want. Mirror finish, matter of fact. See how I got all of this? This is what we're trying to remove. But compared to this, to what I scrubbed, to this, clearly tell the difference. I'm gonna keep scrubbing the whole wheel, and then I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how the process is going. But just look at the difference. That's what I'm trying to get at. From this to this. Matter of fact, look, if I put this one, which is the one below it, to this, you can clearly tell the difference. But we gotta get really into detail right here. This is like the hard part. You gotta scrub and scrub. But yeah, that's the whole rim. So let's get to it, and then I'll turn the camera back on once I'm halfway done. Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, look at the difference. Really look into that compared to this. Oh my god. Like I said, I mean, I still got like to get more into detail, as you can see. But you know, since I'm just scrubbing real fast, and then a little faster process for the video. But you really gotta get into detail, get into all those little like curves and stuff like that. So just look at that. Look at the difference right there. And then it is cold in Chicago, so they kind of fog up as well. But yeah, we're definitely not trying to scratch them at all. I'm not gonna lie, I am tempted to try this just to see what it could do, because it says easily removes brake dust, grease, and road grime without scrubbing. So I might just use it on this other half. But like, as far as the home remedy stuff, you could clearly just clean your rims just like that, and you know, nothing could like affect it or nothing like that. Obviously buy your own products, but this is just for purposes, you know, people always want easier solutions and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead, I mean, that gray towel, where's it at? This gray towel is honestly like magic. It really does get in there, you know, like instead of using just any type of sponge, you can really use this and it'll get in there for sure. Like, I really liked it. And then this, just to clean it off, that's why I cleaned it off a little bit, and that's why they're kind of dirty still, but we're still gonna get our hands into it. I'll show you guys what this can do after. I'm gonna use it on this lower part right here, and then we'll jump on the camera again to finish off the video. Hopefully I'm done with it. Quick little video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. So as you can see, I already sprayed it with this. We're gonna let it sit there. Hopefully it removes everything out, all the dirtiness, as I said before. I'm gonna spray it just a little bit more. Try to get every inch. These wheels were dirty. So there we go. We'll let it sit for a bit, and we'll jump right back. So we already let it sit for a bit, as you can see. Let's go ahead and start scrubbing a little bit, see what it does. Clearly it did way better than the Windex, I'm not gonna lie. Everything stayed on there, and like when I sprayed the Windex, everything fogged up again, and this one seems to still have that clear shine to it. Let's go ahead and spray it down, and then let's go ahead and scrub. Clean water, everything's removed now. Let's go ahead and scrub now. See if it does any magic. You don't want to keep scratching when it has dirt and stuff in there, because then you're just gonna keep rubbing all the little pieces together, and then just gonna keep scratching your rim. Let me go ahead and scrub here real quick. Let me fast forward it for you guys, and then we'll jump back when it's all done. Alright guys, so there you have it. Clearly big difference. Both chemicals, or both remedies, or whatever you want to call it, were honestly amazing. I have no complaint at all. Clearly you can see the difference. I mean, that because it's pretty obviously cold out here and stuff like that, but we'll rinse them off again, obviously then dry them and stuff like that, but clearly big dub, no complaint at all. So here it is guys, right after after rinsing them off, super clean. Might still have a little bit, you know, of dirt in there. You can never really get everything out, but majority clean. Start shining again. I love it. It's getting too depressing just seeing them there with the salt, left snow in there and stuff like that. So 10 times better. Hope you guys really can see. Hopefully the camera makes justice for you guys. But wow, really like the outcome, for real. You guys let me know how you guys see it. Obviously not like in person, but should be able to do it. I mean, this is just because the rim is getting dry. I just rinsed it off real quick, but wow. So guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything turned out super good. I just have to end the video. I'm pretty cold. It is 37 degrees. My hands are freezing using the water and stuff like that. I keep scrubbing and I'm freezing. I still gotta finish off the next rim. I mean the other rim. So we're just gonna end it off. Like I said, good products, both of them. Would really recommend you guys doing this and you guys try it out, and let me know in the comments down below how do you guys how it worked out for you guys, you know. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like the video, follow me on my Instagram as well, KennyEllis1, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.